In today's video, I'll show you how to create and edit a DocuSign agreement the easy way. Whether you're sending contracts, official papers, or personal agreements, DocuSign makes it super smooth to handle everything online. So before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. First, head over to DocuSign.com and log into your account. If you're brand new, go ahead and create one, it only takes a minute. Once inside, look for the Agreements tab on your dashboard. This is where all your active and past documents live. And it's also where you can create new ones. Now, scroll through and pick the agreement you want to edit or update. On the right hand side, you will see 3 little dots. Click those and from the drop down select Correct. This opens up the editing tool without forcing you to start from scratch. Inside the editor, you can fix typos, adjust dates, update signature fields, or even drag and drop new ones into place. The editor is super intuitive, so you can easily tweak the flow of signatures too. Once everything looks good, double check your changes carefully. Remember, this is a legally binding document. When you're confident, click Correct again to save your revised version. Finally, DocuSign will prepare your updated agreement for sending. Just confirm the details and your document will be ready to go out to your recipients. So that's it. You've just learned how to create and edit a DocuSign agreement in 2025. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe. For more easy tech tutorials,